Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you the ChatGPT or OpenAI functionality inside the Clay platform. So first things first, bago mo magamit itong ChatGPT feature, I would recommend na iset up mo muna yung integration between OpenAI and Clay so that you are not going to use credits or Clay credits para magamit itong function na to. So, let's get started. So, I have here a list prepared and dito natin uh, itatest yung ChatGPT functionality ng na naka-integrate dito sa Clay platform. Just a heads up guys, you can use ChatGPT for multiple use cases. It can write personalized message for you. It can do research. It can clean up a specific columns. So you can do those things with the power of OpenAI or ChatGPT. By the way, para hindi kayo malito, gagamitin ko na lang yung word na ChatGPT. Okay? So, yan. So, when you type in ChatGPT dito sa Add Enrichment, you're gonna see this three options: generate text, analyze image, tapos generate text from the legacy version. So, ito yung gagamitin natin if uh, we will be using ChatGPT for text use case. So, what do I mean by text use case? So, for example, sulatin mo si ChatGPT ng company description, pag-generatein mo siya ng questions based on the data na meron ka dun sa list. If papag-createin mo siya ng subject line, pwede mong gamitin si ChatGPT with this use cases. So, yan. So, what I'm showing you right now are the templates na readily available na dito. So, ayan, as you see, pwede pa tayong mag-clean up ng job titles. Actually, this is the example that we're going to do today. We will be cleaning up yung job titles na meron tayo dito sa list para mas maging maayos yung format. And then, if you're gonna continue to browse yung templates na available dito, you're gonna see other use cases pa ng ChatGPT within the Clay platform. And as time goes by, I think mas madadagdagan pa to. As an example, we are going to select itong clean job titles, okay? So as you see, since this is a template, nakasulat na yung prompt dito, you can adjust, you can make some tweaks dito sa prompt, but we're not gonna do it because the goal of this video is just to show you the ChatGPT functionality, okay? So, yan. Basically, since written na yung prompt, ang kailangan na lang natin gawin is to point kung saan column natin gustong ipahanap kay ChatGPT yung data. Okay? So, since job title yung gusto natin ipa-clean, so we will be pointing this to the job title column. Okay? So, ayan, naka-point na siya. So, this means na this is the prompt. What ChatGPT will do is that it's gonna execute this command and then ChatGPT will look up for the data na nandito sa job title column. Okay? So, I'm gonna click on use template. Alright? So, this is what I was talking about at the beginning. So, kung wala kang naka-integrate na ChatGPT or OpenAI account, for you to execute the command na gagawin mo using ChatGPT, it will cost you 1 credit per row. So, medyo costly yon. So, I suggest mag-integrate ka ng OpenAI account with your Clay tool. So, what I'm going to select here is my OpenAI account. Okay? Tapos, select a model. So, I'm going to select auto na lang kasi basic lang naman yung ipapagawa natin dito na task kay ChatGPT. Siguro if I'm going to have ChatGPT write a personalized message based on the company description or any data that I have, I would go with 4.0 kasi mas intelligent itong version na to. So, going back here, so ito na yung prompt natin. As you may have noticed we did not write the prompt kasi we use a template. Itong mga available templates dito. So, ayan, let's just check. Alright? So, ayan, we have the prompt na. And then let's go to run settings. Okay? So, we want to make sure na this command will be executed lang doon sa mga my email address so that we're not going to waste credits. Okay? So, only run if, alright, is not empty. Okay? So, make it a habit na naglalagay ka palagi ng condition para hindi din masayang yung credits mo or hindi masayang yung tokens mo if you're using OpenAI key. So, in a separate video, I'm going to talk more about OpenAI. Ano ba yung tokens? Ano ba yung mga dapat mong gawin before you integrate OpenAI with Clay? Ano ba yung mga cost na dapat mong i-consider? So, those are the things na itatackle ko in a separate video. So, going back here, I'm going to save this and save and don't run muna tayo. Okay? We don't want to run this prompt for 10 columns. So, always make it a habit na mag-test ka muna ng isa or dalawa. Test run for 1 or 2 rows para lang ma-make sure na tama yung input mo. So, it looks good naman. Co-founder and CEO, maayos yung format niya. So, let's check the original. Okay. Okay naman din pala yung original. So, ito is may forward slash. So, ito yung gusto nating mabago. So, let's check again. Alright. Okay, so perfect. So, na-remove yung forward slash and as you see, isang title na lang yung itinira niya. So, what we're going to do now is we will be asking Clay to run this for all columns. Okay? So, run, starting from row 4, and 20 columns. Yeah, run engagement. Alright, so what's happening right now is nag-run na siya. Okay? So, it's cleaning all the titles. Alright? Okay, so you may have noticed here na itong output na to, medyo hindi maayos yung format. So, pagka hindi ka satisfied with the given output, what you can do is to make some adjustments dito sa prompt. You can be more specific. You can command ChatGPT na i-remove yung pangatlong title, shorten lang, remove yung mga commas. So, you can do that. You can write that command para mapalabas mo yung output na gusto mong makuha. So, ito yung isa sa mga thousands of use cases ng ChatGPT inside the Clay platform. And napakadami pang way para magamit mo yung ChatGPT inside the Clay platform. You just have to be a little bit creative and also you need to be at least comfortable with the prompting. I'm also going to create a separate video discussing prompting in more details. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you got value. If you have any questions, just feel free to message me. Or if you are watching this video outside my community or my organization, just feel free to comment down below and I'll be happy to answer.